Hey, what's up, YouTube? You know, it's your boy, Mr. Stocks on the Go, and we are back with a brand new video, guys. A brand new portfolio update. Please go ahead, smash that like button. Let's get this video to 30 likes. Also, guys, please make sure that you subscribe and hit that notification bell. Also, guys, before we get into the video, I'd just like to say happy Easter to each and every one of you guys, and I want to thank you all for the amazing support. Let me know in the comment section, how did you guys spend your Easter? For me, in my culture, I am Jamaican, but I am living in Canada. But in my culture, guys, we go for bun and cheese, and we fry fish and we eat it with bread and has that pepper on. It's just amazing. Mm. As a kid, we couldn't wait for Easter to come around, so that bun and the cheese and fry fish and festival sometimes, it was just amazing. Let me know like what some of the dishes, if you have a special dish that you guys eat on Easter. I know people don't really eat a lot of heavy food, so that's why we have bun and cheese and the fried fish from my culture in Jamaica. Probably it's the same in other cultures also. Let me know in the comment section, guys. I think that would be a really interesting topic. And also, guys, on the other hand of things, if you'd like to support the channel just a little touch more, guys, you can go ahead, check out the links in the description. I'll also be pinning a link in the comment section, guys, for Wealthsimple Trade. If you'd like to start your investment journey, I think that is an absolute great platform to start out your journey on. Commission free, a lot of great perks, and overall, it is the most user-friendly platform I've seen out here. So definitely do check out Wealthsimple Trade. Sign up with my referral code that will be pinned in the comment section, guys. Deposit just $1 and you will get a $25 cash coupon to help you out on your investment journey. Also, you can check out the link from MooMoo Canada. That will be pinned in the description, guys. And you sign up with MooMoo Canada today. They do have a promotion going on for their Tfsa and RRSP accounts. Deposit $100. You will get $50 back to help you out on your investment journey. All right, guys, drum roll. Let's jump straight into the portfolio. All right, guys, so as you can see, the portfolio is currently sitting at $9,120.57, and overall we are up 2.2%. All right, guys, so we're gonna jump straight into the holdings, and yeah, we won't be holding back anything, so let's go. We have Apple first off on the list. As you can see, we have 3 shares. We are down 5.23%. I'm not really worried. We'll continue to buy Apple shares. They did release that them and Microsoft are going into some kind of business, and I'm excited, guys. All right, guys, AEP, which is Atlas Engineers Products, we have 20 shares. We're up 1.45. It is a penny stock, so I've just been buying whenever I have leftover change in the account, but I do believe in this company long term. So we'll see how that plays out. Next off, we have Alibaba. We have 5 shares, same way, guys, up 3% roughly. Next off, we have Constellation Software. As you guys can see, if you did watch the previous video, guys, this was about 500 and plus Canadian dollars. I did sell off some of the fractional shares for Constellation Software and reallocated back that money into another position, which I'll talk about further on in the video. All right, guys, so we are down 1.76, and it was a good thing that I did make that sale, because at the end of the day, Constellation Software did take a nasty dip on Thursday, guys, which would have been horrible for the portfolio. All right, so next off, we have Google, 5 shares. We are up 9.48%. Couldn't be happier with this position. All right, next off, we have Hammond Manufacturing Company, 100 shares, guys. First 100 shares in this portfolio. Go ahead, guys, and drop a fire emoji with that $100, with that 100 mark in the comment section. All right. Also, we are down 0.58%, which is just crumbs. All right. I remember this position I was down so much last week. Hammond Manufacturing had took a dip back to, let's take a look at the chart. Take a dip, I think as low. This is where we were coming from. I think even lower than that at some point. Yeah, we were lower than that. Like it was a nasty dip, 1040, right? And I was buying. I saw a couple of um investors that I speak with regularly on Blossom saying that they don't know if they should continue buying at these levels, and I was for sure that Hammond would start to recover, and it did. It did start to recover, which is amazing. I did lower my average cost down to about, what's that, 1159. Amazing, amazing, and I'm happy with it. All right, guys. So let's move on to the other stock, and that is Lumine. We have 13 shares. We're up 10.76%. Next off is Microsoft, 1.0931 shares. We're up 6.45%. Microsoft has been performing good. Big enough pullback as yet for me to start buying some shares, but I do think there's big things coming from Microsoft, so I might as well. Neo next, guys. I think this would be the next stock that I try to get 100 shares for in this portfolio. We're down 22.74%. That's really hurting, but I believe in the company long term, and I'll continue to pick up shares at these low prices, guys. 450, I just think they're pushing it now, but I'll continue to pick up shares, and that's my personal opinion. All right, next off, we have SoFi, and I think that after picking up 100 shares of Neo, I'll go for 100 shares of SoFi and move down the list. All right, guys. So right now we're down 2.35% in SoFi, not much. I do have a lot of belief in SoFi. I do think that they have a great future ahead. So I'll just continue to buy this company also, guys. A new ETF to the portfolio, SOXQ, Invesco PHLX in semiconductor ETF. I have went over other ETFs, other semiconductor ETFs, but I think that from my personal preference, this fits my portfolio perfectly. So it is trading currently at $38.59. And I believe in this ETF. If you believe in NVIDIA, you believe in all of these semiconductor companies, then this is another one to take a look at. I did go with it because the difference between SMH or SMH is that it does not have such a heavy holding of Taiwan Semiconductor. And as you can see in my portfolio, I already have Taiwan Semiconductor, so I did not want to be super overweighted. So with SOXQ, it does have Taiwan Semiconductor in the portfolio, but it is a lesser, but it is at a smaller allocation. All right, guys, so I didn't do like that. Next off, we have Topicus, 3.514 shares. We're up 10%, and Topicus did pay out its special dividend. If you own shares of Topicus, let me know how much you collected for your dividend. For that special dividend, I'll show you guys at the end of the video how much we collected for 3 shares. Next off, we have Tesla, 3 shares, guys. Nothing much changed. I'm waiting for Tesla to have a bigger pullback to start buying more aggressively. If I do see Tesla in the 150 range, which I do think coming this earnings we might see, but once that is, I do think that Tesla will definitely rebound from there. So I think it's just another buying opportunity, and I am staying with my eyes plugged to the charts. All right, guys. So you guys can follow me on Blossom also, so you can see my buys, my sells, and all those good stuff. All right, guys. Next off, we have Taiwan Semiconductor, 3 shares. We are up 13 1.83%. I think this is my best performing stock, and I didn't buy enough. So right now, Taiwan Semiconductor is currently sitting at $136, and I will be looking to pick up some shares if it does pull back. Next off, we have Visa, 2 shares up 1.73%, and Visa has just been performing good. It has been flat. It has had a run up to the 190 area, to the 190 range, and then it did pull back. But I'll be keeping an eye on Visa. I do think it will break 300 very shortly. Next off, we have ZSP, 15 shares, still the same from the last video, up 7.63%. I will be looking to pick up another 5 shares of ZSP in the short term. I love the performance, and absolutely one of the best ways you can diversify yourself. It's investing in an ETF, guys. All right, so there we have it, and let me show you guys that special dividend from Topicus. Here we go. As you can see, I'm collecting $7.82 Canadian. That's just it. As you can see, it's a long day, guys. Happy Easter. I already cooked some food today. It's Easter Sunday. Just made some curry chicken and rice and things. So I'm about to go mash that all up. And yeah, guys, that's about it for the portfolio update. I want to thank you guys for watching. If you did make it to the end of the video, stay invested, stay building on that generational wealth. You know, it's your boy, Mr. Stocks on the Go, and I am out.